Welcome to Gelous nail art tutorials. Today we are going to be doing a Halloween nail art look in creating Creepy Crawlies. After completing your nail prep, apply a thin coat of pink rubber base coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply one thin coat of pink builder gel and cap the free edge. This is called a slip layer. You do not need to cure this step. Apply a small bead of builder gel and push it towards your cuticles. Gently move the builder gel from left to right, working up the nail and cap the free edge. Using your thin nail art brush, pull some builder gel up the nail as this will help even out the application. Alternatively, you can do 1 to 2 thin coats of builder gel, curing after each coat. Cure this for 60 seconds. If your builder gel has bulked to the free edge, gently file your nails back to shape. Apply nail polish remover to a lint-free wipe and thoroughly clean your nails. Apply 1 to 2 thin coats of French kiss, curing after each coat. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply black magic to the top half of your nail and cap the free edge. Using your ombre brush, gently brush black magic towards your cuticles. Using French kiss and your ombre brush, gently blend black magic together. You want to create an ombre look. Cure for 30 seconds. If you're wanting a bit more intensity, go in with another layer of black magic. Cure for 30 seconds. Using blackout and your thin nail art brush, paint a line down the side of your nail. Cure for 10 seconds. Using blackout and your dotting tool, place a dot above the line for your spider's body. Using blackout and your dotting tool, place a smaller dot above the body for your spider's head. Cure for 10 seconds. Using blackout and your thin nail art brush, paint 2 little legs facing your cuticles and 2 facing the tip of your nail. Repeat on the other side. Cure for 10 seconds. Using just white and your dotting tool, dot a small spot on the spider's back. Cure for 10 seconds. Apply a thin coat of top coat and cap the free edge. Cure for 60 seconds. Apply Gelous cuticle oil around your nails and rub into your skin to nourish and moisturize.